Here is a special weather statement for the following areas in Connecticut: Southern Fairfield, Southern New Haven, Southern Middlesex, Southern New London, Northern Fairfield, Northern New Haven, Northern Middlesex and Northern New London, and the following areas in New Jersey: Western Passaic, Eastern Passaic, Western Bergen, Eastern Bergen, Western Essex and Western Union, and the following areas in New York: Orange, Putnam, Rockland, Northern Westchester and Southern Westchester. Snow showers for this afternoon through evening commute. Snow showers will develop this afternoon through this evening. These will be locally moderate and possibly heavy for a brief time. Temperatures in some locations will be cold enough for snow to stick to the ground, creating slippery conditions. In addition, winds will become more gusty, with visibilities getting reduced to a mile or less at times. Total snow accumulations are expected to be near 1 inch or less. Motorists should be aware of these conditions and travel extra slowly and carefully this afternoon through this evening. For the following areas in Connecticut: Southern Fairfield, Southern New Haven, Southern Middlesex, Southern New London, Northern Fairfield, Northern New Haven, Northern Middlesex and Northern New London, and the following areas in New Jersey: Western Passaic, Eastern Passaic, Hudson, Western Bergen, Eastern Bergen, Western Essex, Eastern Essex, Western Union and Eastern Union, and the following areas in New York: Orange, Putnam, Rockland, Northern Westchester, Southern Westchester, Manhattan, Bronx, Staten Island, Brooklyn, Northwest Suffolk, Southwest Suffolk, Northern Queens, Northern Nassau, Southern Queens, Southern Nassau, Northeast Suffolk and Southeast Suffolk. Wind advisory in effect from 8 p.m. this evening to 1 p.m. Wednesday. The National Weather Service in Upton has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect from 8 p.m. this evening to 1 p.m. Wednesday. Locations: the entire tri-state region. Hazards: strong winds. Winds west 10 to 20 miles per hour with gusts up to 50 miles per hour. Timing: highest winds through early Wednesday. Impacts: scattered tree limbs and branches downed. Isolated power outages. Difficulty driving high-profile vehicles. A wind advisory is issued when sustained winds of 31 to 39 miles per hour, or gusts of 46 to 57 miles per hour, are expected or occurring. Winds this strong can make driving difficult, especially for high-profile vehicles. Use extra caution. For the following areas in New Jersey: Sussex, Warren, Morris, Hunter and Somerset, Middlesex, Western Monmouth and Eastern Monmouth. Wind advisory in effect until 5 a.m. Wednesday. The National Weather Service in Mount Holly has issued a wind advisory, which is in effect until 5 a.m. Wednesday. Winds becoming west 20 to 30 miles per hour with gusts 45 to 50 miles per hour. Timing: through this evening and into the overnight. Impacts: scattered tree and power line damage. Difficulty driving high-profile vehicles. Reduced visibilities may occur with any remaining snowfall. Here is the latest weather map discussion.